group of baboons has gathered at the end of the long, hot, dry season. They're waiting for a very special seasonal opportunity. A Nile crocodile. She laid her eggs in the warm sand. The baboons would steal them if they could. Their plan is simple. They wait. The baboons keep their cool in the shade, waiting for just the right moment. The sun gets stronger. The crocodile begins to gape. It's a way of losing heat. Eventually, it gets so hot that it takes to the water to cool down. But the baboons still do nothing. There's no sense in overexerting yourself in the heat when you can let hungry monitor lizards do the hard work. Finally, the moment they have been waiting for. Now they need to move fast. The crocodile won't be away for long. The oppressive heat has allowed the baboons to get the food they want.